Shripatrav Kamble, Senior Lecturer in Electronic Department, Government Polytechnic Ahmednagar. Today we discuss GSM fundamentals. Learning objectives. Learners will be able to understand GSM architecture, draw the GSM architecture, understand the various components in GSM, write the functions of each component of GSM. Before going to the GSM, I ask just a question to you. What are the different standards in mobile 2G standard mobile communications? I pause 1 minute. Please think over that. See here. Definitely you know the different standards. IS-95, GSM, CDMA, IMT 2000, IS 180. These are the different standards available all over the world. This is a GSM network structure which consists of different parts. The main parts in GSM: BSS, MSC, HLR, VLR. These are the main parts in a GSM network architecture. Mobile station, the gadget which we are handling, that is called mobile station, which consists of mainly one small piece, that is we can call as a SIM card, mobile subscriber identity module. Mobile stations are not fixed to one subscriber. The subscriber is identified with the SIM card. Next part, base transmission station, BTS. It is a wireless transmission, wireless diversity, wireless channel encryption, conversion between wired and wireless signals capturing, frequency hopping, which consists of baseband unit, voice and data speed adapting and channel coding. RF unit is also situated in BTS. Common control unit also in a BTS. BSC, the base station controller, which manages all wireless network access in BTS, which controls the link distribution between mobile station and BTS, communication connection and disconnection, MS location handover and paging, voice encoding, transcending, rate adaptation, etc. The main heart of the GSM architecture, mobile service switching center, which holds all the switching functions, manages the necessary radio resources, updating the location registers, carrying out the inter VSC and MSC tenders, interworking with other networks. The main parts in a GSM architecture which hold the data of the subscriber, that is called a home location register, which manages the mobile subscriber database. It is a main data, that's is called as a home. Subscriber information situated, part of the mobile location information. It also consists, it having three identities essentials: ISDN, international mobile subscriber identity, and VLR addresses. VLR, the temporary location register, or it is also called visitor location register, dynamically stores the subscriber information needed to handle incoming and outgoing call. Mobile station roaming number, when a roaming mobile enters an MSC area, the MSC wants the associated VLR of the situation. The mobile enters a registration procedure through which it is assigned a mobile subscriber roaming number. Temporary mobile subscriber identity, if applicable, the location area in which the mobile has been registered. AUC, which provides the authentication to the subscriber for the call communications, which using the different cyber keys. EIR, equipment identity registrants. All equipments must be authorized by the Government of India, and those equipment can be handled by the subscribers. That will be provided by the EIR. That is, we can having the handling mobile station equipment identity also. Thank you. This is all about the GSM fundamental knowledge about the GSM. I hope everyone get this basic